Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. After modeling this component, the component will look like this. So this is the component. Now we'll learn how to model this component step by step in NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then do the remove material feature. Let's get started. Go to File, New. First choose model. Our units are in millimeter. Choose millimeter. Specify the name. Specify the location where you want to save the file. Say OK. For easy modeling, I'm just keeping this diagram left side and software on the right side. And I quickly see the dimensions parallelly. Now we'll start with the this sketch. Go to the sketch, taking the front plane, say OK. Start with the rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension. Here this dimension they are not given. Instead, the total length is 65. Here you can see this one is 15 and this one is 20. Both the lines are in vertically parallel. So in the same line. So the total distance here is 25. So this distance is 25. Say OK. Press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify the height. Height also they are not given directly. We need to calculate it. Here the 10 mm. Here this distance is 25 mm. So 10 plus 25 35. Plus 20 55. Plus 30 85. This distance is 85. Press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then we'll add this feature also directly. Take this rectangle again. Just put this feature also. Now go for the trim. Remove this one and this one. And close it. Now the sketch is completely closed. And specify the dimension. The total distance is 65 as you know. Just from here to here. Which is 65. Press the roller to confirm. And this height is 25. Press enter and this distance is 10 mm. Now here you can see the sketch is completely defined. Finish the sketch. Go for extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length also here 10 plus 30 plus 10. The total is 50. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll go for creating this cut. Then we'll get this feature. First go to the sketch. Here this surface. Say OK. Now we'll create this sketch. Take the rectangle. Start from this point. Just put the rectangle. The height to remove is 30 mm. 30, say yes, and this distance, press the roller to confirm, and this distance is 10 mm. Press the roller to confirm, then go to finish sketch, extrude, change the direction, make it to until next, subtract, say OK. Hide the sketch also. Now we have created this cut also. Now we'll go for creating this rib. Just go to the sketch again. Take the front plane. Say OK. Now take the line. This point and this point. Now we need to specify the dimension. This distance is 20 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now go for finish sketch. Use the rib tool. Specify the thickness of 10 mm. Symmetric, say OK. Now we have created this rib also. Then we'll create this round. Go for edge blend. Select this edge and select this edge. The round radius is 25 mm. Just say OK. Then we will create this cut. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. save OK. Now take the circle, this point, create a circle, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now the radius of the circle is 15, then the diameter will be 30. Say yes. Now we just want to close the sketch. For that, take the line from the center point to this edge, again from the center point to this edge. Now press the roller to confirm. Now go for the trim tool, remove this one, just Control Z, just specify the dimension as this one, as 15. Similarly for this also be 15. Now just go to the trim tool again, select this one. Now it is closed completely. Now just finish the sketch, go to extrude, change the direction, make it here until next, subtract, save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this cut also. Then finally we just want to create one more cut here. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, save OK. Now take this circle, now we need to specify from here to here, which is 25. Say yes. The diameter is 30. Press the roller to confirm. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Make it until next. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have finished the modeling. Just go here. Orient view, isometric. Check that all features are done. If anything missing, we just need to draw. Now everything we have done. In that, we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.